Can't follow on TikTok fix. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. If you are not being able to follow anyone on TikTok, then let's go ahead and fix this issue. Firstly, open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are logged in. Now see if your internet connection is working properly or not. Switch to Wi-Fi if your cellular is not working properly and switch to cellular if your Wi-Fi is not working properly. Now go to your profile and tap on the three lines on the top right of your screen and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and you will see the option for free up space under Cache and Cellular. Tap on that and go ahead and clear the cache and data for the app to function smoothly. See if you are now being able to follow or not. If not, in Settings and Privacy, again, tap on Report a Problem under Support and About. Under Topics, you will see the option for Follow, Likes, Comments, and Favorites. Tap on that. Under Follow, tap on Unable to follow a user. TikTok will now show you the guideline about how your problem can be fixed. Since we have already followed these steps, scroll down and under Is your problem solved? Tap on No and then tap on Need more help. Type in your issue here and make sure to be more informative and descriptive while typing in your problem for quicker responses from TikTok. Include attachments like screenshots or screen recordings as a proof. And now tap on Submit. With this, your problem has been reported. You will receive a notification from TikTok regarding your issue soon and your problem will be fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.